Cece, what the hell is this you got?
Ew.
Ill? You saying ill or ill?
Ew. Dinner. Dinner time. Dinner.
That's not an eel.
That is. There goes his mouth right there. Dinner.
Yeah.
That's dinner for a Chinese nigga.
Yeah.
That motherfucker look like a snake.
His mouth, man. Y'all gonna take him off?
Yeah, they got my shit. They got my shit.
They got you. He's scared of that damn thing. Tell him, man, it's man club. You gotta take your own shit off, nigga. This is man club, nigga.
Wait, put him on the ground. Lay him on the ground.
Lay him on the ground. That's a little baby one, man. The other day we had caught a big one.
We got a knife? Who got a knife?
So the damn snake, he bit him.
No, it was a
Yeah,
mosquito.
let's look at him.
Mosquito.
That was a mosquito.
Ain't no damn mosquito.
Yeah, they got him down here. This the motherfucker with the goddamn.
got no goddamn.
Ah, man, take the goddamn. I thought you was a.
Don't you have that thing to take them off?
I know.
He got what? He got a fucking knife. He got all that shit, and he's still scared of that
Slam
motherfucker.
it on the ground.
I do it.
Slam it on the ground.
Slam bam, thank you, ma'am.
I know.
He take it up.
Yeah, go ahead, so he could sting your ass again.
Oh, they sting? No. We can just use this long.
He looked like a snake, right? That
Yeah,
motherfucker
we can
sting.
use this long back.
Well, that motherfucker sting.
They do?
Go ahead, touch it. You find out.
His hand went off. His hand went off.
You ain't that curious, right? Home trying to shake him off. He ain't getting off like that. You gonna have to put your hand on him. Go ahead.
My goddamn bait. I know I had something on
We got more bait, man. Bait up.
shit. We can fish all night long.
Yeah, all right. I got you rolling, man. So what's your name again? Holler for the people. Lee, tell them, man.
Hey,
All right, for all the YouTubers, man, and let them know, man. Let me see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I know how to fish.
Yes, sir. If it's out there, you gonna catch it,
I'm
right?
gonna catch everything.
That's damn right.
Catch everything you
Yeah. Let's all the YouTubers know.
Right, I'm a fisherman. Look
Yes,
at
sir.
that. I
Yup.
got the biggest deal.
And that's what she
one.
said.
I got the big one.
The big one. You the man.
I'm there.
You the
Hey,
man.
see, my first time fishing.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
always-
Yes,
I
sir.
got the big one.
Yes, What's going on, man? Is this guy scared to take it off? Man, if you catch it, you gotta take it off. That's the rules. This man can't, bro. If you catch it, you gotta take it off. That's a snake, man. Don't fuck around with that shit. That shit will bite your ass. We don't do snakes. If that was a fish, you'd take it off, but fuck that shit. Fuck that snake. We don't do snakes. You know snakes, they all from the same goddamn family.
I was born in South Carolina. We don't do no goddamn snakes.
Oh, he about to show you how a grown man do it. Show him, CC.
Oh, shit.
Show him. What you got in his hand?
Man, you
Oh,
scared?
goddamn.
Oh, he got him by the hook. Grab him. Yup. Oh, you scared? Oh, what's going on over there?
I know.
Yeah. What's good? What's good?
happening? He a
Yeah,
little
what's
nasty,
happening?
though. He a
What the
little
fuck
nasty.
is that he got in his
He a little
hand?
nasty. That one nasty.
Well, he think he gonna take that shit off with that. Where the fuck who told you that? Yeah, who told you that?
Plastic boy. You can't do nothing with no plastic boy.
He gonna play with his girl with that shit.
He got a plastic boy.
Trying to take a fucking snake off the goddamn hook. That shit don't work.
I thought you was used to this shit.
You see what he did, right? You see what he did? He cut the goddamn hook.
I was a little down. I was.
What you say? Mama ain't raised no fool. That's a snake.
I was.
We don't play with that
You know,
shit.
yeah. Oh, hell, you know, motherfucker minutes out.
Whatever.
I was.
Whatever, right? That's a snake. That's not a goddamn fish.
That ain't no fish. That's a snake.
I gotta get my
Hey, what is it?
I gotta get my what's it?
Look at it.
What
That's
is
the
it?
devil.
I ain't goddamn right.
I'm getting my weight.
That's the goddamn devil.
I don't fuck with that shit. I
Uh-huh.
don't fuck with the devil.
Right, right.
Nah,
Yeah.
hell no.
But
A
get,
snake,
what is that? Get behind these Satan.
You gotta go. Yeah,
When you gotta go, you gotta go.
Go. I don't fuck with no devil.
What are you trying to do with that
I
snake?
know. You gonna eat it?
There you go. Get back. Get him up. This month.
He cut the head off. He cut his head
Yeah,
off.
skin it
Right
and
here.
eat it.
He cut the head
He's
off.
still alive.
He still gonna bite your ass.
Get him up.
Oh, God,
Yeah, here he comes. He coming out. Here he comes. Watch.
Skin it and eat it.
He gonna come out. Here he comes.
That's a fucking eel. Look at that motherfucker.
Is it a you?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't find snakes
The,
in
the hook is right here. He ate the fucker.
He ate the whole hook. That motherfucker was up there.
I'll tell you one thing. He ready to bite somebody. He
He
pissed the
wanted that
fuck
worm.
off.
Right,
Sure, he
already-
that
He can't bite you. He already fucked
He can't
up.
bite you? All right, stick your
He
hand in
already
there.
fucked up.
All I know, he's mad like a
Watch
motherfucker.
that thing. Don't
You know what they
Oh,
say
yeah,
about
I'm sorry.
you know what they say about a wounded animal,
Uh-huh.
right? Stay the
Right.
fuck away from it.
God damn.
I'm gonna try to help him out, but
Boy, you cut the head off.
man,
you
why you
ain't do
put your
that.
hands up?
He's scared. He thought he got him. That nigga, I think he done shitted on himself.
Here it comes. Okay, go like this.
You better
Look.
check your drawers, nigga.
They put my hand.
He thought he got him.
Put my hand.
You better check
Here
your
he
drawers,
comes. He
nigga.
coming out.
What do you mean he coming?
No, right there.
What do you mean?
I'm taking my
What do
hook.
you mean he coming?
I gotta get my hook. Yo, hold on.
Oh,
you
the
guys,
hook coming up.
yeah, the hook.
Oh.
If I had my gloves,
Damn, you backing up, man. You ain't fucking around on nigga.
I'm from South Carolina. We don't do
God
snakes.
damn.
We don't do snakes.
Shit. I thought you was scared of the COVID. Fuck the COVID. You scared of that
I was
motherfucker.
on Park Street one day, right before that snakes. I
He said, fuck
I'm
that
getting ready
shit.
to buy some shit.
Right,
I
yeah.
said, I ain't fucking with y'all. I don't do snakes. I'm from South Carolina.
Right,
We
right.
don't do snakes. Come up on your
He
motherfucking
already
back up.
know.
Yeah.
Them your motherfucking
he
guys.
ain't gonna survive, man.
Yeah,
Watch
But
out,
throw
you
him
in the
back
light.
in.
You in the light.
Throw him back in. I'm trying to get the video.
He ain't gonna survive. I'm trying to get him.
What, you trying to gut him?
I'm trying to get this
Hey,
hook
man,
out
I
his
wouldn't
mouth.
buy nothing from him. They had that
That
snake.
snake.
around with
Oh,
it.
you know what? I seen him nigga with a big ass snake around his neck. No, oh no. I don't play that shit.
No.
No. I don't play that shit.
Oh, he dead. He gonna die.
The Bible tells you.
He gonna die, man.
Be a damn fool if you want. Yeah, fuck that. It's a snake.
He gonna die.
He died.
Got the hook?
Yeah,
He
Got
dead.
the hook?
he ain't dead. Okay, touch him. Put your hand near his mouth.
He dead.
Put your hand near his mouth. You find out if he's dead.
He gonna die.
Yeah, already.
He ain't dead.
Yeah. Once he got that hook in him, he was dead. That
He
hook
playing
there.
You
possum.
getting in the
He
light?
played possum.
I'm trying to get this hook
Y'all
out.
crazy.
He playing possum. That motherfucker ain't dead. You know, snakes don't die easy. And plus,
You gotta
he,
take the head off.
right? He what the fuck?
No,
when they
it's
could breathe
not.
on the water and land?
You gotta take the head off.
Yeah.
That's
Hey,
with anything. You gotta. That's with
He'll grow
anything.
back
That's
another.
with
That's
us.
a
You
snake.
gotta
He'll
take
grow
it.
back another head.
Ah, no, they.
Yeah.
Some of them
Those-
do.
yeah.
Some
That's
do.
a
It's
snake.
coming. That's the good part right there. You're gonna be living. What's that?
Oh man, he's serious. You gonna catch another?
He coming.
Yeah,
Now,
let him go around, fuck around with that heel.
Yeah. I don't trust motherfuckers playing me like that.
Right?
I do not.
What the Bible say? Stay the fuck away from the snake. Got him. Are you trying to shake the hook out? It don't work like that.
It's coming.
It's coming out. Step on them. Step on the tail and pull it out.
It's coming out.
Step on the tail and pull it out.
He gonna die. He gonna die.
What are you trying to do? Cut the head off?
He gonna die. Hey, there you go.
It's
Come
out.
on, baby.
Go! There!
You stick on that shit.
Go!
Yep.
Come on! Go! You're gonna live.
Ha!
Don't play around with the woman. Bang! See ya!
That's it. See ya. I wouldn't want to be ya.
Thank you.
They got some boats out there.
Animal rescuer.
CC the man. He took him off.
That's what we